Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a snippet in your HubSpot account. Okay, so as you all know, a snippet is a simple message you can add into different aspects of your HubSpot account. You can add it in the email editor when sending an email to a contact, or you can add it in the notes section of a contact, and you can also add it when getting a task in the contact page in HubSpot. So let's dive right in into how to create a snippet on HubSpot. Okay, so the first thing you want to do if you do not have a an HubSpot account is to create a new account, or you can sign in into the current account you have. So right now I am in my HubSpot account, and what I want to do is I want to go into my library section, and I want to click on snippets, and I want to click on create snippet. Okay, so as you can see, I have two more snippets here already, and because I am on the free trial, I can only create 5 snippets, and I have created 2 out of 5. So I want to create a new snippet, and I want to name my snippet whatever name for this snippet. And please note that this name, you are the only one that will be saying the snippet name is an internal name, so you'll be the only one saying it. So you can name it whatever you want. I'll be naming this application. So you want to add in a text that is going to show up when sending an email to a contact, or when you want to add a snippet to your notes. So I am going to paste my word in here, and I want to onboard this. You can edit this text that you've added in here. You can make it, you can bolden it, you can italize this, you can underline this, and you can add in more. You can change this font to the font type. You can change the size to whichever size you want, and you can also add in a different text color that you also want. You can highlight it also, and you can do different formatting to the text. So what you can also do here is you can add in a personalized um field. You can add in a contact field. So for instance, you can add in their first name, their last name into this snippet. So you click on personalize, and you can click on name. Yeah, so we want to add in their first name to this. So the first name is going to populate where whenever you are sending the snippet out to a client, or whichever way you are adding it, or whichever way you are using the snippet. So it's going to look at the system, and it's going to populate this first name into this snippet. So what you want to do next is you want to create a shortcut. Now this shortcut will be used it's like a text that you are going to insert, and it's going to be like hash, then whatever you're inserting. So it's going to be like a shortcut. You can just type in the hash, then the text, and the snippet will be imputed into wherever you want it to be. So I am going to click on hash, then app. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Then after checking in on everything and you like the way it is, yeah, you can also make this click here to link somewhere. So you can link this here to somewhere. You can click on insert link, and the link text is going to be here. Then you can make this go into a URL. So let's imagine that I want it to go into um Google google.com. Yeah, so you can apply that, and that means when they click on this, it is going to take them into Google. You can do the same to wherever you want them to be led to. So then you can save, then you can save the snippet when you are done. Okay, now so the snippet has been saved, and it is now called application. And as you can see, we can then go into our CRM, then we can go into contact. I am in my contact page, and how can I use this snippet in my contact page? So I can just click on any of my contacts, and I am in the contact page of this particular contact. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to click on email. So I can create an email and I can add that snippet into my email. So here's how to do that. So when you click on email, let's imagine that you want to send an email to this contact. So if you want to include the snippet which we have already we just created, you want to click on insert and you want to click on snippets, and you can pick in whichever snippet you want. So we'll be using application, and we can you see how it's populated everything and even the link into the email. So you can adjust this email and you can format it whichever way you want. Then you can create a tax if you want, and you can include the subject line. So add in whatever you want to add into the subject line, and after you add in the subject line, you can send out this email. So that's how to use a snippet in an email. So if you want to use it in a note, you want to click on notes. We are in the notes section of this contact. And if you want to add a snippet to the note, what you have to do is you need to click on this menu beside the knowledge base, the knowledge article. You want to click on the insert snippet, and it's going to bring out all of the snippet that you have, and you can click on application and it's going to populate that um into the system here. Another way you can add the snippets apart from using this menu here is you can click on hash, then remember the shortcut name we added in um when we're creating the snippet. So it will be hash then app. Yeah, so it is going to bring out the particular snippet, and you can click on application. So when you click on application, as you can see, it's populated Michael's name as the first name and the message, then also the link also. So you can create a note after populating the snippet. So that is how to add it in the note section. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get amazing videos like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye.